Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This time to celebrate the Eid. So let me show you the 6 variety and unique delicious desserts and sweets to your Eid day. Before we get into the recipes, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon to never miss any notifications. First, we'll begin with the chocolate truffle with desiccated coconut. These sweets, I definitely say kids will love it. This is what you need. Take 2 cups of desiccated coconut, add half a cup of condensed milk, and mix it well. Divide them into 3 portions. You can add different colors, but I'm adding green and pink. Make balls in this shape. Make the rest the same. So here I have a melted milk chocolate and a white chocolate, and I will dip them inside, nicely coated with the chocolate. After that, you have to refrigerate for about 2 hours. Then you can decorate it whatever you want. I'm just drizzling some melted chocolate on the top. And if you wish, you can add some nuts on the top. And the chocolate truffles are done. Surprise your kids with this dessert. So the next is a Turkish lokum roll. It's a very famous Turkish dessert. For that you have to take baking tray, add the desiccated coconut in the bottom layer, spread it evenly, and for the filling I'm making a custard. Add 1 cup custard, half a cup of water, and then add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix them well. And then keep on the stove. Mix it continuously. And now you can see the consistency. Take it back and pour it over the desiccated coconut. Tap it. Take 1 cup of chopped mangoes and pineapple. Add it to the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Just give a mix. Add the mixture on top of the custard. Evenly spread that. And now refrigerate this for 2 hours. And now we have to roll this. For that, keep on the flat surface and cut and roll it. And the yummy and tasty lokum rolls is ready. It's melting in mouth. Next is the pistachio cookies. You can call it Ramadan cookies. To make that you need 2 eggs, add half a cup of sugar. Beat for 10 minutes. And then add half a cup melted butter. You need 1 and half a cup of flour. Make it 2 batch and add them along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it well, and this dough should be sticky and very soft. And now roll it. And now you can create your own cookie shapes. I'm just making a simple one. You can give it any shape. And topping with pistachios. And dust some sugar. Bake 175 degrees for 20 minutes. And your cookies are done. Next is very easy milk powder burfi. You can make it within 10 minutes. For that, heat a pan, add 2 cubes of butter, Add 1 cup milk. Stir it. Then add 2 cups of milk powder. Keep stirring without making the lumps. Add the rest of the powder. And now add half a cup of sugar. Keep stirring and you can see the consistency. You have to cook for about 9 minutes in the very low flame. And done. Take a baking tray, place a baking paper, and then flatten. Add some pistachios, cashew nut on the top, and cut it. Here you go. Very soft and yummy milk burfi is ready. Next, it's dates nutty bar. It's very healthy and tasty. For this you need add 1 cup rice flakes, 1 cup oats, and 1 cup dry fruit and nuts, 1 cup dates, and half a cup of sugar. Mix it well. Heat the pan. Add a teaspoon of butter. Put the mixture to the pan. Mix it well. Add some chopped dates. You can add more nuts if you want. And the raisins. Mix them well. That's it. Take a foil. Dust some sesame seeds. And spread the mixture. Even it. And roll it. And slice them up. And the dates bar is ready. And if you want to make it more sweetened, you can add a melted white chocolate on the top. Next is my favorite, the creamy basbusa. It's a traditional Turkish sweet. For that you need take 2 eggs, and then add 1 cup sugar. Mix them well. And then add 1 cup butter, 1½ cup of fine semolina, half a cup of curd, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to bake this in the stove. For that, take a thick bottom pan, add salt on the bottom, keep a stand, and preheat for about 8 minutes in the very low flame, and bake it for 45 minutes. And the base is done. Take a fork and put the holes. and slice them into 2 slices. Again, place them on the tray. I'm using a cream cheese. Apply all it over. Take the other slice and keep it on the top. And we have to make a sugar syrup for this. For that, you have to take 2 cups of sugar along with 1 cup water and 4 to 5 cardamoms. Mix it well. Cook until it boils. And then add 1 tablespoon of lime juice and pour the syrup top of the cake. Let the cake soak the mixture well, and you can decorate the basbusa with chopped cashew nuts and pistachios, and the creamy, delicious, soft basbusa is ready now. I hope you like my recipes. Definitely try this on your Eid day and make it more special. Thank you for watching. Advance wishes from me. Eid Mubarak to everyone. See you in the next video.